Hi everyone, this is Kunnji. My little kitten with the biggest heart. Look at her playing with just one leaf. So focused, so cute, so happy. To Kunnji, this small leaf is the whole world. Kunnji, are you enjoying it? I can see it in your eyes. You make everything look so peaceful. Pink flowers behind you. Green leaf in front of you. And sunshine all around. This is what happiness looks like. You don't need big toys or expensive things. Just a leaf, some time, and love. That's all Kunnji needs. Come here, Kunnji. Okay, you're too busy playing. I'll just sit and watch you. Thank you, Kunnji, for teaching me this. To slow down, to smile at small things. To enjoy every moment. If you liked Kunnji, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye from Kunnji and me.